Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to a new video of my channel Learn Kami. I hope you like it. So keep watching Learn Kami for more motivational and entertaining videos. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Sadia Iqbal with presentation topic Corrosion and its preventions. What does corrosion means? Corrosion means decay. Corrosion means decomposition, erosion, degeneration. In general words, we can define corrosion as a metal surface is eaten away or a surface that face some changings due to chemical and electrochemical reactions taking place in our environment. As we know that corrosion is a natural phenomena, it's a natural process, so it also have some drastic effects on that metal surface. First of all, it reduces the strength. First attack is on the strength of metal surface. Second is it may also affect the physical and chemical properties of that metal surface and thus cause corrosion. Scaling corrosion, microbiological corrosion, disposal of residual wastewater, and biofouling. These all are the elements, and these all are the main problems in our industrial water systems. Number one is corrosion. In previous slide, we have discussed in general, but now in chemistry, what is corrosion? Chemistry says that corrosion is a process in which oxidation takes place on a metal surface. Fine. And what is oxidation? Oxidation is the addition of oxygen. Fine. So, what is defined? What is the definition now? So, definition is that it is the process in which oxidation takes place on the surface of metal and converts that metal into metal oxides. Fine. And that metal oxides cause leakage in the pipes and in the tubes. Fine. And these leakage that are in the pipes and in the tubes in industrial equipments cause drastic effect or is very dangerous for the workers that are performing their duties in the industries. Fine. Number second is microbiological corrosion. Microbiological, is a word, relates to microorganisms. So, it is the corrosion that brought about by activities of microbes. Microbes mean microorganisms like, algae, fungi, and bacteria. So, it brought about by activities of microbes in biofilms on surface of corroding material. As we know that in Pakistan we are lacking with some very important and essential technologies and techniques in the industry. We are facing some problems. One of them is we are just letting our water untreated. So that untreated water contains every kind of microorganism like spores, like bacteria, like algae, like fungi. So these are combined with one another and form a soup. That soup is now as microbiological soup, and that soup cause blockage in the pipes or in the tubes that are very essential in using our industrial work. So this is how it affects our industrial water system. As this next one is disposal of residual industrial wastewater. It is one of the important problem, but its treatment is not only difficult but also very costly. So residual industrial wastewater management evolved a cycle with three factors. Number one is reduce, number second is reuse, and number third is recycle. Fine. In general we are just considering like residual just contain inorganic compounds and inorganic materials, but we are wrong. It contains inorganic as well as organic too. Fine. Next is biofouling, and biofouling means, in Greek words we can say bio mean life, fouling is, smell. So it is the phenomena where water surface in contact with water are colonized by microorganism. So biofouling, other name is biological fouling. So it is the problem in which unwanted and undesired deposition and growth of living organisms. Living organisms may include microorganisms on water surface, and that all just cause foulant, that form foulant and cause fouling. So it is the main problem. We can say it is the mainest problem facing industrial water system. So next is the corrosion control techniques. There are four basic techniques. Number one is coating and lining. Number second is cathodic protection and material selection, and fourth is corrosion inhibitors. Number one is coating. So what is coating? We should know what is coating. Coating is different material outer surface, fine. And coating works like it prevents corrosion. It is the protection of corrosion, or it causes the contaminants from entering the structure. It just prevent the contaminants from not entering the structure. This is how it reduce our corrosion. Number second is cathodic protection. Cathodic protection is represented by CP. So it is a technique in which it prevent the electrolytic corrosion. Fine. CP prevent electrolytic corrosion, causing it to act as cathode of electrolytic circuit. Corrosion is the when we go for further studies, then we came to know that corrosion have also many other types. Fine, it is not of one type. So corrosion is also taking place in electrolytic cell. Fine, it effects are chemical reactions and chemical chemistry. So we just have to prevent electrolytic corrosion by making it cathode. Fine. Number third is corrosion inhibitors. Fine. Inhibitors mean obstacles and obstruction, and fine. So it causes the decrease in corrosion rate. Fine. As if we keep on unchecked, and our corrosion is proceeding day by day. So it is on very fast rate, so we should control it by corrosion inhibitors. We should use some of the inhibitors that may reduce that rate. So number one are some commonly used corrosion inhibitors for various purposes are there are basically in industry two systems. One is open loop system, second is closed water loop system. So in open loop system, zinc is used as a corrosion inhibitor. Fine. And in closed loop system, we use nitrate, we use chromate. Fine. Sodium nitrate is very commonly used in closed loop system of water. So that's all. Any kind of ambiguity from your side is warmly welcomed, and thank you for listening.